Welcome to Mr. Biography YouTube channel. This video is about biography of famous Congress leader Randeep Singh Surjewala. Hope you will enjoy this educational based video and share it with your family. Randeep Singh Surjewala is a prominent Congress leader from the state of Haryana. He has been a part of the Congress party for several decades and has played an instrumental role in shaping the party's policies and strategies. He is known for his oratory skills and his ability to connect with people from different walks of life. Randeep Singh Surjewala was born on 7th of March 1967 in Jind, a town in the state of Haryana. He comes from a family of political activists, and his father, Shamsher Singh Surjewala, was a prominent Congress leader in the state. Randeep completed his schooling from Jind and went on to pursue his graduation in law from Punjab University, Chandigarh. Randeep Singh Surjewala started his political career as a member of the Youth Congress. He was actively involved in student politics during his college days and was elected as the president of the Punjab University Students' Union. In 1996, he was elected as a member of the Haryana Legislative Assembly from the Kettle constituency. He was just 29 years old at the time, and his victory was seen as a significant achievement for the Congress party in the state. Over the years, Randeep Singh Surjewala has held several important positions in the Congress party. He has served as the spokesperson of the All India Congress Committee and has also been a member of the party's core group. In 2013, he was appointed as the Minister of State for Corporate Affairs in the Union Cabinet. Randeep Singh Surjewala is also known for his work as the General Secretary of the Haryana Pradesh Congress Committee. He played a key role in the party's victory in the 2009 and 2014 Lok Sabha elections and was instrumental in securing a win for the party in the Haryana Assembly elections in 2019. Randeep Singh Surjewala is a dynamic leader and has made significant contributions to the Congress party. He is known for his work in the fields of education, health, and social welfare. He has also played a key role in promoting the use of technology in governance and has been a strong advocate of digital empowerment. Under his leadership, the Haryana Pradesh Congress Committee has implemented several schemes and initiatives aimed at improving the lives of people in the state. These include the Jan Seva Samiti program, which provides medical assistance to people in need, and the Shiksha Ki Aur program, which aims to improve the quality of education in government schools. Randeep Singh Surjewala has also been a strong advocate of social justice and has worked tirelessly to promote the rights of marginalized communities. He has been vocal about issues such as gender equality, caste discrimination, and human rights violations, and has played a key role in raising awareness about these issues. Randeep Singh Surjewala is married to Avantika Mekam, the daughter of senior Congress leader Ji Mekam. The couple has 2 children. Randeep is known for his love of literature and is an avid reader of books. He is also a keen sports enthusiast and enjoys playing cricket and badminton in his free time. Randeep Singh Surjewala is one of the most prominent Congress leaders in the country today. He has dedicated his life to public service and has worked tirelessly to promote the interests of the people he represents. He is a strong advocate of social justice and has played a key role in shaping the policies and strategies of the Congress party. As he continues his political journey, it is certain that he will continue to make significant contributions to the party. Thanks a lot for watching our professional Mr. Biography YouTube channel. You can help us to promote our Mr. Biography YouTube channel by like, comment, share and subscribe Mr. Biography YouTube channel. Stay in touch.